Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Steam account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in steam.com. So when you're in Google, just like me, you just need to go and click on STEAM, click here, and of course here guys, you will have the opportunity to go on the Steam. Now, what you need to do of course is go and download Steam. You have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can go and download Steam, so you can know how you can do that. But now when you have downloaded Steam and when you are on the website as we are at the moment, now you just need to, as already told you, go and create your Steam account. So in the top right corner, we have the login button where you actually need to go and click on. So go to the top right corner and click on the login button. Here, of course, as you can see, you have the sign in. Sign in with your account. You need to put your account name, your password, and then sign in. But of course, if you do not have an account, down here, as you can see, we have a new to Steam. It's really easy to discover thousands of games to play with millions of new friends. You have the create account button. You just need to go and click on that button. Here you just need to go and put in your email address. So you just need to put your email address here, then confirm the email address that you have just put. Then of course, put the country of residence. So where are you from? Click that you're not a robot, and then of course click this if you're not 13 years of age, and click continue, and your account will be then created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.